How to delete your Gmail account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your Gmail account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. To delete your Gmail account, you will first need to delete your entire Google account. You cannot just keep your Google account and delete your Gmail account. So it comes as a package, so you'll have to delete everything. For that, simply open up a web browser. You can tap on your Google icon that is on the top right. And after you do that, tap on manage your Google account. After you tap on manage your Google account, you will simply be in this area. Now you can simply search for account deletion in your search bar on the top. So I'll just search for delete, and here you will see delete your Google account. Tap on that, and after you tap on that, this page should open up. So you will need to sign in after you tap on delete your Google account. And after you do so, just as it says right here, please read this carefully. It's not the usual yada yada. You can read this and know what you're actually doing. So after you do that, you will simply need to tap on yes, I acknowledge. And yes, you want to permanently delete your Google account and its data. After you do that, tap on delete account and your account will get deleted. And it's basically that simple. And that is all for the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.